So welcome, we're going to spend this week working on sensors. So what you'll see here is that we have a couple sensors in here currently, but one of the things I always recommend is pulling in the great samples that Josue Negron and the VMware team put together. So you'll see here, and I'll put the link in my article, you download and unzip it, and then basically you're going to run a command, and you won't be able to see a lot of this data, but basically you're going to put in the server, the admin credentials, the password, the API key, all this stuff, and I'll put that also in the article. And basically we'll run it. You can see here it's parsing everything, and it's pulling all those samples in. And obviously a couple went bad, but that's fine. So let's go take a look. So now if we refresh, you can see all these things in here. Let's see who they assigned out to. They assigned out to all devices. Very cool. So now we have 103 sensors in here, which is great. I mean, if you scroll back up through it, you'll see that some of these, they skip templates, not a huge deal. And like I said, a few of them didn't go great. I'm not sweating that. The idea was to kind of get a good baseline in there for you to kind of work with. And that's great. And so when we get back, we're going to talk about how you can create sensors of your own, because it's great what they give you, but there's some other cool things that you can do as you work through it and figure it out.